on, I'm in the mood for sexual healing. Ain't nothing turned on but us. Can you feel it? Feel it? Ready or not, I'm about to give a little more of my love. Can you feel it? Feel it? Making love in moments of pleasure, I can't get enough. Rain against the window, pain, after that we do it all over again. I feel like making love over the sound of the rain. I hear you moaning now over the sound of the rain. You know you put it down over the sound of the rain. Sweet candy coming out over the sound of the rain. The kids are gone and I'm in the zone. You best believe that tonight it's on. Tonight it's on, babe. I'll kiss your back and massage your toes. How long we go, nobody knows. 'Cause special attention is being given. First it's soft then rough. Taking out time to satisfy you, making sure that you get enough. Moving to the rhythm of the rain, bouncing back and forth against the window pane. Moving to the rhythm of the rain, over again. I feel like making love over the sound of the rain. I hear you moaning now over the sound of the rain. You know you put it down over the sound of the rain. Sweet candy coming out over the sound of the rain. She told me that I feel so smooth, and I always put her in the mood. She loves it when I caress her body. It makes her tingle and it feels so lovely. She likes my sweet tongue, it makes her sing that song. My touch on her thighs is pleasurable and measurable. She wants to thrust some more, I'll make her come some more. Larger than Rushmore, I let them guns go. Slow and slow, and lower and lower. Get up from the bed and bang against the door. The rain is so wet, oh it might be sweat. Over again. I feel like making love over the sound of the rain. I hear you moaning now over the sound of the rain. You know you put it down over the sound of the rain. Sweet candy coming out over the sound of the rain.